everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I'm gonna show you my Skechers boots. See the box of the Skechers boot. It is so good and cool color. Here is my first boot. It's kind of light pink and mauve mixed color with white dotted lace. For everyday purpose, office wear or college wear, you can use it. This is so comfortable and inside the cushioning also feels so good. If you tried it one time, so at least you can feel the same. It is so good once you wear. It gives you a little bit height and gives you a good look with jeans, shorts. You will not feel hot inside if you wear this so long. So here is my second boot of Skechers. I choose this from boys section because I like the design so much. White and red combination is looking so attractive. It came with white lace, but later part I changed it to red lace because I feel like that is looking more good. See the transparent design, that looks so good, right? This is the brand sign of the Skechers S. Inside the cushioning is so soft and comfortable. Once you wear, you can feel no slippery at all. It has a good grip. These boots also keep your feet cool long time. You can style this boot with jeans, shorts. I will attach these two boots in my description box. You can check it from there. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye.